The brand new Hercules brushless 20 volt max half-inch hammer drill. Yes, this is a brand new tool, just got released. I heard nothing but good quality on these tools. We're gonna go ahead and see if that is correct. Also, let us know down in the comment section if you want to see this tool against another tool. We want to know if these are competitive. So let us know down in the comment section which tool brands manufactures specific tools that you want to see this against. Hercules legendary performance. Hercules power tools times 2 more torque, 80% more power, up to 100%, 110% holes per charge, 5-year warranty. Brushless 20 volt max lithium hammer drill. So it does have a hammer there. It does come with the handle. Half-inch hammer drill, HCB92B. Tool only, battery and charger sold separately. High performance brushless motor provides more torque, more runtime, and more durability over brushed motors. 2-speed transmission covers all drilling and driving applications. 14 clutch settings for control over the drive depth of the fastener. All metal gear construction withstands heavy duty applications. Delivers 0 to 32,000 blows per minute. Ideal for drilling, masonry, and concrete. Jacobs half-inch ratcheting chuck provides ultimate bit retention. Textured overmold for secure grip and comfort. Bright LED provides superior work visibility. Package contains 20 volt brushless hammer drill, belt clip, side handle, and bit holder. 20 volt or tool only. Battery and charger sold separately. Specifications: chuck capacity half-inch. Max torque 1200 inch-pounds. Speed 0 to 550, 0 to 2000 RPM. Blows per minute 0 to 8800, 0 to 32,000. Overall length 7.18 or 7 inches, 7.18 inches. Net weight 3.3 pounds. 5-year warranty. Brushless motor technology. Intelligent electronic communication. Extended performance batteries. First thing out of the box, we do have some instructions. It says model HCB92B brushless. We'll set this aside. A belt clip and a bit holder there. We got a handle, so a nice rubber handle. Does say Hercules on the side. So all metal handle, including this part. This thing's the only that's plastic. The only thing that's plastic. All right, we got the tool itself. Really nice tool. It is very compact, really small. Kind of like, I would say kind of more like Milwaukee. It is kind of heavy, but yeah, then again, there's a lot of, there's a lot of going on in here. You got the hammer drill. Hercules brushless. All this is rubber. This black part is rubber. Brushless on the back. We got a lot of ventilation here. Ventilation. We got 1 and 2 speeds there. 1 and 2 speeds. You do have a hammer mode, a drilling mode, and 13 clutch settings. So we'll leave it on the drilling mode. We do have a Jacobs chuck. It's all metal. Jacobs chuck. We do have an LED there at the bottom. On the side it says to reduce injury. Yep, we already read that. On the bottom, pretty simple. Nothing going on there. Just a light. You got a 4-prong connector at the bottom. 4-prong connector, Hercules HCB92B. 20 volts, half-inch compact hammer drill. 0 to 550, 0 to 2000 per minute. Maybe first speed, second speed. Hercules Power Tools, Calabasas, California. Item number 59419. Put a battery in here, see what this sounds like. This sounds really strong. See speed 1. Lots of air movement. Really like that. Same thing with the other impact driver. Lots of air movement. Really like that. I'm pretty sure this tool is gonna have no problems whatsoever staying cool. For the Jacobs chuck. Yeah, it's really nice. This goes on the top there. It's all metal, so you have a lot of it's all metal where it goes, so you can tighten it really tight. Yeah, that's really nice. I really like the grips on these. Really nice grip. With the handle and with the 2.5 amp hour battery, it weighs 4 pounds, 14.9 ounces to only 3 pounds, 4.9 ounces. Alright, let's take this outside. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. Let's take this outside and try it out. We're just going to be running some simple tests on this one. We're going to be running them at speed 2. Let's have the speed selector there. Drilling mode. Alright, we're going to be putting the screw in. This is a 3.5 inch deck screw. Got an adapter. Actually, on this one, we're going to go to, let's put it on, we got number 10. Let's see what it does. So it's not working on number 10. Let's try 13. Let's try drilling mode. So it is an electric clutch. It's not really. Alright, let's put it in again. Yeah, so I guess you could say you could put it on 13. That was 14. Let's try 13. Yeah, 13 is like perfect for that one. But it does have, it looks like it does have electric clutch. So 13 is perfect for this. 11/16 spade bit. We're going to put it in drilling mode. Hold right here. 1, 2, 3. Go. Actually not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, we got this spider auger bit. A 3/4 inch auger bit. I mean a little bigger. Something more challenging for this drill. So hold right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this thing's really strong. Just a couple tests with this drill. It's cool. It's not even hot. Let us know what you guys think on the comment section. I think Hercules is going towards the pro level. Is going after the big companies, the red, the green. Going after all those. So guys, let us know in the comment section what you guys think. Would you want to see this against another tool? Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.